So this is Boca Chica State Park. That's the Gulf. SpaceX is behind me. The Rio Grande is up there by that lighthouse. So you got 2 launch pads, SpaceX, fucking Mexico, Rio Grande. Pretty cool. I got the Leica out here with me today. Figured I'd take some shots. Mexico side, the line's like right there. Anyways, SpaceX has grown to 8 ton. 8 ton. So the Rio Grande kind of goes yonder and then up that way. Now the risky part is that this is weather sealed. There's a lot of blowing sand. So putting on a different lens, definitely fucking risky. But I'll do what I can. The Leica has the really good weather sealing, but when you open up the internals, well, especially when that's already open. Where's the cap? Must be in there. Okay. Try to block my body. Do a quick swap. The key is to keep that sensor dry and clean. Close up the nifty 50. And now we've got a little range. Come get what we came for. Can't see with these on.